Hello, my name is Lily Karbowski, and this is my exam mini video number 7 on phylogenetics. Phylogenetics is the study of relationships between species or genes and alleles based upon their similarities or differences in their characteristics. Below we have an example phylogenetic tree of the types of pasta noodles. Each type of pasta noodle is an OTU, or a operational taxonomic unit. OTUs are typically a species or even a strain of virus, but in our example, it will be the type of pasta noodle. This phylogenetic tree is a rooted tree, meaning the distance between the OTUs is known and the order of divergence is inferred by comparing to an OTU that is considered to be an outgroup. The outgroup in our example is the bow tie noodle. The outgroup represents an OTU that diverged earlier than all other OTUs. Phylogenetic trees occur over time. For example, the lasagna noodle at the terminal node has evolved from the lasagna noodle earlier in the branch, which is an example of anagenesis, which is a term that means evolution that occurs within a lineage over time. The red squares are the internal nodes on our phylogenetic tree. Internal nodes represent the most common recent ancestor of the following branches prior to the split. The splitting of a lineage into two is called cladogenesis. Once cladogenesis occurs, the two branches evolve separately from one another. The first divergence occurred because the bow tie noodle shape is entirely different from all other noodle shapes. The first divergence was between normal noodle shape and bow tie shape. The next divergence is between long noodles and short noodles. Within the long noodles, we have a divergence between skinny long noodles and thick long noodles. Lasagna and fettuccine noodles are our thick and long noodles, which are less closely related than our skinny long noodles, spaghetti, and angel hair, which are very closely related. Within our short noodles, we have a divergence between hollow short noodles and closed short noodles. Our hollow short noodles are penne and rigatoni, which are more closely related than our closed short noodles, tortellini and ravioli. As mentioned before, spaghetti and angel hair are very closely related, which is why they have shorter branch lengths than, say, lasagna and fettuccine. Same with penne and rigatoni. They have shorter branch lengths because they are more closely related than ravioli and tortellini, which have more differences and less in common, hence longer branch lengths.